The beauty of the PaveTac pod is that it can be used any time of the day to give us a really good, accurate picture of the target area. It magnifies the target area quite a lot so that we can stand off and be a fair way away from the target, so outside the range of a lot of defences, so that we're still safe while our bomb's going in to kill them. There are a lot of little switches that we can change around to brighten certain bits or change the focus to get the best target picture possible to help us with aiming the bomb. The pod has a laser inside it which we use to fire at the target, and that's used to guide some of the latest precision munitions into the target.
In preparation for Pitch Black, we're running some realistic combat scenarios. We're about to embark on a mission to attack a maritime target.
We've had a camera rigged up in the jet so that you can follow us all the way through the mission from the start when we walk around the jet all the way back until we come back home and land.
The first thing we do when we come out to the jet is a walk around, checking the pitot probe, making sure that haven't got any delamination in there that might get worse when we get airborne, checking for any delamination, making sure there's no cracks. All our static vents are clear of any obstructions. Checking that the strike camera lens hasn't got any cracks in it, checking the security of the doors, making sure that all our landing lights are okay. Into the engine intake here, making sure again, no obstructions. All our stators look okay and the front stage of the engine. Out on the wingtip, we've got a number of lights out here, they all look okay.
G'day. I've just finished inside the wheel well here. I've been checking all the hydraulics, the fuel lines, check the tyre itself. We're allowed to have quite a few cuts and stuff in there, but they're normally okay. Give them a quick kick. Top here we have the overwing fairing, which fills with air as we fly along, and it'll push down on the wing no matter where it is, forward or back, to make sure that no spare air gets in there. Get inside here, we're just checking that the cap's still on the oil, same as your car. The rest of the airframe back here, make sure there's no nuts or bolts missing. And then the main stab on the back here. Then moving on to the aft of the jet, here we have our radar warning receiver, make sure that the antennas there are okay. And then into the business end, the afterburner.
Okay, once we've started the engines and completed our flight control checks, aligned the navigational kit, then we're now ready to taxi. Clear for takeoff, buckshot 1-5. Hydraulic pressures look good. Okay, over the hump into mini afterburner. I've got two good swings, both afterburners are lit. Brakes release now. Selecting full afterburner. Two good engines, fuel flows match. There's 60 knots. Lights out, and checked. 100 knots, time, go. Okay, approaching 140 knots now. Rotating the aircraft, 3 good balls. 160 knots, we're airborne. Climbing away now, accelerating. The gears travelling up. The slat and flat are travelling up. Okay, we've got a clean aircraft now. Sweeping the wings back and turning away towards our target area. Once we arrive close to simulated enemy territory, then we'll carry out a descent, usually using the terrain following radar system. We'll descend to a height of between 200 and 400 feet. The idea being that we want to avoid any enemy radars, make it harder for any enemy fighters to see us, and to avoid any surface-to-air type threats. What we'll actually do today is update the kit on a coastal feature to the north of Brisbane, and then go out over the water to find the target, which is a barge simulating an enemy patrol boat. Okay, running in there at 600 knots now. Timing looks good. Okay, mate, happy with the target. Okay, station 3's cell, nose tail. Master arm is selected. I have it ready, and I've got it ready my side. Now the bomb's good to go. Okay, things are going to get a little bit busy now, so if you just bear with us, watch and listen, and hopefully you'll see us hit the target. Okay, running in there now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pick the paddle pull. 40. The bomb's gone. Above S-ray rolling. Okay, then on the target tracking. Above TSA, sharp sharp. Lasers on. Level above TSA, sharp sharp. Sharp sharp. There's impact, memory point white. To 900,000. Let's check. Lights are out, video's good. Okay, looks like we've had a pretty successful attack on that target. We'll have a really good look at it when we get back on the tape. But from what we can see there, that seemed to go really well.